Hey guys, welcome to another video where today I am playing Roblox again with my brother. And today we are playing two-player Wizard Tycoon. Not working. We'll see you when we have another one that works. Hey guys, so we found a tycoon. Oh, there you go. We found another tycoon.
It works.
Good.
Oh, wait.
Bang, 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 bang.
Stop. Okay, get in the tycoon. Get in the tycoon.
You were shooting at me, David.
I'm mindless walls. You're not the only one, But
So, here we are.
Hi guys, and welcome.
Making money.
Making my money. Making my money.
Make me my money. Make me my money. Fun game. Bang.
Okay, guys. Yeah, this is fire. And that is my brother Tapjoy.
Ow! Dude, you killed me.
It'll only sting a little.
Here, I'm gonna change my style real quick.
Okay, my brother is currently changing his
Outfit. What do I want to wear? I think I'll go for Inventor. Nope, cool dude. There we go. Done. Now, let's get back here.
Hello. You seem to be malfunctioning.
Now,
What?
I have it.
Okay, I'm gonna go change my.
Do 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 do. Ride the thingies, and then they disappeared.
Okay, let's go to all.
You don't have to change your skin to wax.
I have 200 money, and it's completely useless to me right now.
It's not useless. You can fly a truck.
I will get money.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is my new outfit. I'm dead.
Dead,
Look,
dead.
what's this? I've changed. And so have you. Okay. I don't know what to do with style. Gee, I'm honored.
David, you know we could both look exactly the same if we wanted. Boink, boink,
Yeah.
boink.
Let's
Boink,
both look
boink,
exactly the same. Hold on.
Yeah, that would be very useful. I mean, fun.
Okay. What do you have?
Get back to the.
You have
Get back
The
to
blue
your
plaid shirt,
Hold on,
the
wait,
green
wait.
the green
What's your
jeans.
width?
The same width.
My width is the smallest it can be. I'm not fat.
Head.
Head, everything but width is maxed.
Okay.
No.
I also have green. I also have green. The green pants. You also need to change your skin tone to white.
White?
Yes, white. And I have the green jeans. Dark green jeans. Do 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 do. And also, I don't have the boxer t-shirt on.
Oh, you just click on body. Click on body. Skin tone. Scroll down until you do it.
Oh wait, no, what?
And take that out again.
It won't appear anyways, James. David, you have much money waiting just for you.
Hold on, wait. How do I change my gear? Okay.
I also have the shades. David,
Hold on, wait.
could you could you upgrade our conveyor wall so that we can get this
No,
thing?
upgrade the conveyor so it goes faster.
Upgrade conveyor walls. You are my exact twin.
I look a bit
Get on.
wider than you, don't I?
No, you look exactly like me.
Okay.
David, you must upgrade the conveyor walls and then buy.
Okay, spectating Tapjoy. What is he doing? I'm just kidding. That's Tapjoy.
Yes,
And this
me.
is me. We are
Woo!
twins.
Great.
We look almost identical.
David,
You aren't really.
so, David, I need you to upgrade the conveyor walls.
Okay, I could get up there and buy a second conveyor.
And now let's buy the second conveyor.
Conveyor. Okay. This is hard. Start jumping.
We did it. We bought it. Wait, didn't we buy it?
Okay.
I
Start
am blue.
jumping.
Yay! We
Under
got it.
it. Oh, really?
Yes. Now we have two conveyors, and one of them doesn't even exist. Technically.
Go to that guy's place, the
Okay,
green guy.
this is cool, guys.
Mm.
Look, I can't buy it.
I'm just gonna go back. I was checking. Whew! I have successfully done it.
What?
What if you could go to
That would help. Stop pulling the news. I am not a noob, so stop pulling the news. Ow. Run away! Away.
250.
Run away.
More money.
My heavily fortified tycoon.
We are exact twins. Money. Are you throwing balls at me, man? Throw balls at me. Throw the balls at me.
Why aren't you getting blown away?
I think it's because I'm on your team. And yet I can do that.
Don't do your murderous look.
David. Upgrade the conveyors so they go faster.
No! I failed to get on it. We need to get conveyor walls. Second floor conveyor walls.
Hello, Robloxian Tower.
Robloxian Tower.
Get on this. on the base of this. Okay, now I will stand on your head identical.
Ding, 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 ding,
I
ding,
totally
ding.
do not know.
Mm.
This is not helping that much. Okay, now you're helping. Now get up here. Oh wait,
I can't. Wait a minute. I can.
Really?
Yep. I got up here.
Other way. Me on top.
You missed. How about we try a Robloxian tower? Right here. David! Right here! Right here. Yeah, it could work.
Start jumping.
Wait a minute.
I'm smacking it.
That's 5,000, man.
Okay, let's buy a magic dropper that I can afford.
Yes.
There! A wizard hat! Is there anything that I can buy that's 500? Of course there is!
Dude, I can annihilate it because the wall was not completely built because it was on top of me. So it can be annihilated. And annihilated it was. Now this one is annihilated too because it was improperly built. I can't annihilate that one.
You can't annihilate this one.
Who says I can't? Maybe I can. Oh wait, no I can't. Thank you for upgrading that conveyor. Do 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 do. Boing. 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 Boing, boing. Boing, boing, boinging, boinging. We are boinging. Help me. I have survived the boinging.
Cannon!
Remember that time where we were just messing around and we got a bunch of money just from doing it?
Oh, yeah.
Tons.
Just mess around.
Hey, Tim, come over here. Tap Joyce. Look. Where am I?
You want to buy the random potion generator? That's 50,000 bucks. We don't have that much money.
Here, look.
Not yet.
Down and then scroll out. When you're not under a roof.
I know you're up
And
there, David.
guess what you'll see? A bunch of words.
Really?
I'm doing it right now. Yeah, scroll out a lot.
Oh, that is real. Bunches of words.
Woo!
The final wall. And now, I need to buy the gas. Now you buy staffs. Did you buy a staff?
That part right there. No, not that one.
Yes, David bought a staff. Good, David. You bought a staff.
Good, David boy.
I will use a staff.
Boy. Don't forget it. Don't. I bought that a long time ago. You will never haunt me ever. No
I was
haunt-
saying as in dead. Okay, guys, the video's gonna end soon. I thought I might as well warn you about that.
Okay. Boop, boop, boop. 3, 2, 1.
And guys, the video is going to have to end right now. Like, the video's ending, so I'll see you next time. Goodbye.